this is one of the most discussed PSLE MCQ question for science this year.
Okay, so when you press a spring together, okay, you must understand that the spring is being compressed. Okay, and you can see from here, all right, over here, you can see that the spring is being compressed as well. And you have to understand that when spring is being compressed, it means that there would be elastic potential energy, all right, because any elastic objects that has been stretched or compressed will contain or will possess elastic potential energy. All right, so what happened is that they also mentioned that the spring traveled from point A, okay, that means from here to here, it starts to move. Here, move. All right, it starts to travel, so which means that it moved. Okay, and what happens is that after moving, the keyword here, stopped at point C. So at point C, there is no longer any movement. Stopped. Okay, so it means that there's no more kinetic energy. At A, energy is as shown, which actually shows you that all the energy at A is elastic potential. As I mentioned earlier, there is only elastic potential energy at A, as there is not moving yet. It is currently at A being compressed. Okay, so these tallies with each other. All right, so at B now, they're asking us what is the energy of the spring. And you need to understand, the moment, okay, the person let the spring go, it lets go, all right, the spring will no longer be compressed. It will return to its original length. All right, so at this point, at B, it returns and it moves. Okay, so when it moves, it will have kinetic energy. And always remember, when things move, all right, there would be friction between the spring and the surface. Okay, so which also gives us heat energy. Okay, so in this case, just remember, when it moves, when it returns to its original length, it is no longer compressed anymore. So when it's not compressed anymore, it should not have any more elastic potential energy. So this tells me that 1, 3, and 4 is definitely already wrong. Okay, and for option 2, okay, we have kinetic energy because of the movement. Okay, and anything that moves, okay, on a surface, there would be friction, and there will be some sort of heat energy due to this friction. All right, so your answer for this question is number 2.